Felicia.
All right, thank you, Max. We're looking ahead to chances for severe weather as we end the week here in Kansas.
Let's get over to meteorologist Halen Wilhite, who's tracking the potential for storms over the next several days. Right, Halen?
Very busy here in the weather office, but yeah, we're going to be kicking the severe several days worth of storms on Thursday, or at least tomorrow. Already seeing quite a bit of those severe ingredients already set in place. Now, there's a lot of characteristics similar with this system compared to last week's system. Now, if you remember last week's system, kind of underperformed because we were stuck dealing with the cap, or at least had some warm, stable air aloft that didn't allow a lot of those thunderstorms to kick off. But we pretty much had everything on the table when it came to severe weather ingredients. However, there's a few different factors with this system compared to the last system. So very similar to the outlook we had last week, most highest severe potential into southwest Kansas. But one big difference with this system is that we're going to have morning convection already Thursday morning. Again, we've got thunderstorms into north central down to south central Kansas. Depending on how this acts and plays out and just where exactly this outflow boundary pushes out. The outflow boundary is pretty much a release of energy or just a push of some cooler air from those thunderstorms, and where exactly that lines up, that may lead to just where exactly the strongest storms will be or maybe not be. Again, if outflow stays the east, we could see possibly some more significant storms. Now, if the outflow moves farther to the west, starts to interact with that dry line, then that may reduce the risk for severe storms and maybe just inhibit the thunderstorms from even developing. But we still have a couple of models still picking up that outflow might stay a little bit to the east, and that could lead to some more of that convection starting early with that dry line moving into western Kansas. There's a lot of factors, again, really a lot of moving parts. It's just something we're going to have to really just watch closely as we get into Thursday morning. Really just depends on how everything plays out that morning and into the afternoon. If that atmosphere can recover, then we're going to be in it for some pretty strong storms. So just make sure you're weather aware, and we'll stay up to date with you over the next 24 hours.